Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I'm a full-time reseller. On today's video, I do have an unboxing. This is from the company JTC Auctions. I've gotten this box before, and when I did, it was spring summer stuff. It seemed to be okay, but it is mainly, I believe, from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, pulls from the store that maybe didn't sell, or returns maybe. It's supposed to be mostly new with tags. I was waiting to get another box from them just because I wanted fall and winter stuff. Just because obviously we are in that season now. And then also in theory, you should be able to make more per piece if they are sweaters, jackets, long sleeves, as opposed to like little crop tops or shorts. So I did get an email from the company because I have purchased from them before, and they offered me 20% off on any of the boxes. When I went to the webpage, there was a banner on the banner on the top that said that they had their fall and winter truckload was in. They were working on pictures. If you're new to this company, they do offer true mystery boxes like the one I have, or they have like manifested ones where you get to see exactly what's in the box. All of those had said sold out, so I couldn't tell what were in the mystery boxes. So I reached out to the company, sent them an email, and just said, hey, I'm wondering if the current mystery boxes are fall winter. And they said they are, they just haven't had time to do the ones with the pictures. So I thought, okay, great, I'll use my 20% off and then just do it that way. So this box is normally $200 for 40 items. I did have the 20% off coupon, so that brings me down to $175.97. If everything is sellable in this condition that it's in, and it's all in there, it should be $4.40 a piece. I did pay shipping on this. I think it was like $15 maybe. It did come very quickly. I believe that they are located in Minnesota, so that is right next to me. I ordered this and I think it came not the following day, but the next morning. So really quick ship time on that, but I think that's a location thing. So right on top, this is Truth by Republic. I don't know that brand. An extra small. I am hoping that these aren't a bunch of really tiny sizes either. This is, let's see if there's, I'm assuming this is like acrylic, nylon. I don't know what to think about this. It's furry, it's kind of preppy, which I think will help it. Like I said, I don't know that brand, so I'll have to look that up. That one did not have tags. This one does not have tags. This is Timberland, size medium large, just like, I don't even know. They're almost like a tights type of deal, maybe like a tights leggings. These I don't think I will sell. Okay, this one does have a tag. It's Kenneth Cole, and this can be men's, women's, and maybe kids. I'm not sure about the kids. Slim fit, size small, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it's a good style. It's kind of like that chore coat type style. It's a little bit heavier weight for a shirt. So see, this one does have the TJ Maxx tag on it. This is Danskin. It does also have this tag, which is good. Looks like it was supposed to be a set. As of right now, I'm only seeing the top, which I guess isn't the worst. Size medium. This is really pretty like mocha type color, but you can tell right there that is snagged. I might try and cut that. I mean, it's pretty noticeable and it's like right there. So I might try Play-Dohs on this one, and if they don't take it, I'll just see if maybe somebody in my family wants this, because I'm not going to try and sell that. Okay, so this is Christian LaCroix, size large, 100% 2-ply cashmere. So I'm really going to have to look this one over and make sure that there aren't any snags or holes. I'm assuming this is a large men's, maybe, just based off of the style of this. It is soft. It does have a little bit of a cheap feel to it, though. This is CC. I've never really done great with this brand. Size medium. It is a fun little top, though, like Barbie pink with these, I don't even know, like little tiered puff sleeves. I will have to look this one over really good to make sure that there aren't any areas where a full thing of like sequins is missing, but so far it looks okay. This is Tommy Hilfiger size medium. There is not a tag still on it, but there is this little piece down here, so I could probably put new without tags. This one, it is cotton. I'll have to look up the style code to see if this is men's or women's. It's a medium. I'm assuming men's just by the length of it. This is Sincerely Jules, another one that doesn't sell for the most, but I think this is dirty on the back. I can't tell. Can't tell if it's dirty because I've been looking into the ring light. Maybe I'm just seeing a little bit of a haze on it, but I'll have to look at that one a little bit better. Just like a lilac cropped sweater. White is a color I never like to see in any mystery box. Cable and Gauge. I don't know that I've ever sold this brand before. I see it quite a bit. It is new with tags. It does have this cute little keyhole, kind of high neck in the back. And then it's sleeveless. It does have a sequin all over it. So, I mean, this would be good for New Year's, holidays. This is an interesting color and feel. This is Hippie Rose, extra small. This was also supposed to be a two-piece set, but it's only the shorts. Just kind of like some lime green shorts. Next up is Polo by Ralph Lauren, size 6. So this is kids. This is pretty cute and perfect for the current season. Yeah, this one I think is kind of neat. I'd say so far I'm happiest with this out of everything. Here's a Nike top. This is 18 months. That's really cute. It's kind of like a little grungy tie-dye. Let's see. This was also supposed to be a two-piece set, but it's only the top. This is 98 Degrees. It's a Skylar Rib Henley top, like a little workout type top. It's like a weird, I don't know. It almost looks to me like those scrub tops that would button all the way down, but we'll see. This is the brand Aura, A-U-R-A. Not seeing any tags on here. What size is this? Small, medium, I believe. This is just like a textured workout type top. Another 98 Degrees. This is a medium, black. Does not have that little Henley thing on it. What was this one? Medium. This one's also a medium, so I might put those two together. Make that a little bit more enticing of something to buy. Sincerely Jules. This one does not have tags any longer. Just like, oh, it's a black skirt. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to try and sell that just because I don't even think Plato's would take this. Legend, I think this is. This feels very cheap, like very cheap polyester. I will probably steam this out and see if Plato's wants this. So we're like maybe halfway through the box. So far, I'm like, nah, this is okay. Nothing's really blown me away. Holderness and Born. I don't know what that is. It says tailored fit, extra large. I'm assuming this is a men's top. It has this like tiny striping on it. This is the brand Workshop Republic Clothing, size small. Just a long sleeve top. This is W5 teal. It's ribbed, deep V top. This isn't the worst. Calvin Klein. It is a size small. This like really pretty cobalt blue. It is new with tags. Turtleneck. It says it was originally $69. This is Apana I mean, some of this stuff might be okay because we are going to be going into the new year and people will be looking for like athleisure workout clothing, but I just don't really anticipate making a lot on this. This is Pink Rose. This one still has the tag, size large. It's like lavender zip front sweater. This is another thing that does not feel good. Body glove 2XL. This is very cheap feeling. Just a black long sleeve. This is another cable and gauge, size small. So quite a few small sizes here. I do like the little buttons on the back. They're like little crystals. Another high neck with these, kind of like a little bit of a puff sleeve. And this like velvety top. More Sincerely Jewels, size small, just a little ribbed tank. This is Japna, I think I'm saying that right. It does still have its tag, size small. It feels like kind of like a little towel, but it does have like that corseted look. So this one I think I will list. I don't think I will get much for it. Happily Gray, one size. This is just like a, what do we got going on here? This one does have a stain on it, so it's going to have to get washed. I thought it was a cardigan, but it's more of a, I don't even know what you want to call it, like a kimono type thing without long sleeves, I guess. More of like a vest type of deal. More CC, another small, so definitely sizing is not great in here, but this is very oversized. This is like a cream and gold. This is cute. This is a kid size 4T, Eddie Bauer, but it is completely ripped here. I'm gonna have to look and see what they said for like what the damage rate was gonna be, because this is a pretty big thing. I could potentially try and resew this, but yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that. This is Tommy Bahama 5T. I would like to not be getting a bunch of kids stuff, but this is pretty cute. It's like a little knit sweater with this little collar in the back. This I'm not even seeing a brand on it. It just says it's a size medium. That can't be. It must be for kids. There's no brand, and they're just like a pair of black leggings. This is Cyrus, another size small, black. Kind of has an interesting little thing there, I guess. So this is another cable and gauge, size medium. And this red, like turtleneck, cowl neck type deal. It's kind of cute because the front is plain, but is there something there? You see that? I think it might just be the way it's been in the box, but the back has these buttons, which is kind of interesting. These might be okay. It looks like they're saying that they are normally around $135. Psycho Bunny, size 40. So does that mean these are men's? For some reason I thought they were women's. Maybe not. With these teal pants. Oh, I don't know, man. Only a couple pieces left. Sincerely Jewels, size large. This pink, like lightweight sweater. Another turtleneck. This is from Arden B, another small. Don't really know what's happening here. So it's like a turtleneck with a little peplum bottom, and then the back has a cutout, if you can see that. Okay, last item. This is Jarvis Archer, size extra small, kids. And this little sweater, it does have these little elbow patches though, those are pretty cute. Okay, so I am gonna count everything, make sure I have 40, and then I will let you know my thoughts. Okay, so I counted everything and I only have 38 items, so I'm missing 2. So I'm definitely going to reach out to them and say like, hey, what's the deal here? I'm missing 2 items. I'm gonna show them that Eddie Bauer jacket. I did just kind of quick look to see what they say about, you know, issues with the clothing, but I mean, this is pretty big. So, as of right now, would I order from them again? Probably not until I can see those pictures, because this is kind of not what I want for $200. Will I make my money back? Maybe. A lot of this I think is going to sell probably between like 15 and 20, maybe. And a lot of it I probably will just kind of send to Plato's and, you know, make cash back quickly, just because it's not worth my time to list. And then there's a couple pieces that I am going to have to outright just get rid of, like those, what were they? Those black long sleeve shirts. They feel absolutely disgusting. Those leggings that are for kids that don't even have a brand on them, those I'll just donate. There was that Eddie Bauer, or there was that first pair of like legging tights. No one's gonna want to buy those from me. I'm a little bit unimpressed, which is unfortunate because I did like my other box I got from this company. From what I've seen of these boxes, I've never seen the fall winter ones. I've only seen the spring and summer. It's like you either get a good one or a bad one. So we'll see what they end up saying. I hope that they do, you know, refund me something, because I am missing 2 pieces. I don't know what he's gonna say, or, you know, like how that's gonna go, but I guess time will tell. Let me know if you've gotten this box before, the fall winter one. It's just unfortunate with a lot of these mystery box companies. I understand everybody needs to make money, but it's just gonna be hard, I think, to make my money back on this. Each one was about $4. Some of them I'm already taking out. Yeah, I guess time will tell. I was hoping for there to be at least like a nice dress in here, or like one nice coat that could maybe recoup like $40, $50. That would have been nice, but unfortunately there wasn't, and the only coat that there was this cute little Eddie Bauer one that has a huge hole in it. So that is unfortunate, but we'll see what happens. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a like. It really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!